I love this time of night. It's about, I don't know, 6:30-ish in the garden. We didn't really do any planting yet this year, and it's just so beautiful to see a lot of plants come back. Even some pansies in that little kind of abandoned window box are growing back, and some sweet Elysium, if that's how you say it. But Emily made this little patch, this front flower bed, a couple summers ago, and this rose bush keeps growing. I don't know where it came from. I never planted it. It's sort of morphed itself onto another rose plant that's here, and that seems to be happening all over my garden, where this climber rose bush gloms itself onto other roses. So we've got a bunny right there, just part of the props. He's real. And some roses growing over there that have come back. And everywhere there's roses, there's this red climber. It's so strange and remarkable. And then over there we planted, and those beautiful plants keep coming back every year. It's so fun. I have a few places I have to fill in. But there's Mr. Bunny, just munching away. His friends will be along shortly, because there's always about 5 bunnies. And there you have it. Have a good night, everyone. Peace out. Good morning. Just finishing our morning walk on this fine Wednesday, and taking a look at my roses behind this wood pile. I planted these little daisy type flowers a long time ago, and they've just really taken off. This is a bunch of wood from some redwood trees that I, a couple years ago, had to cut down. Very, very traumatizing for me. These trees were getting really sick. They were diseased. There's Teddy. And they were not getting any better. They made the driveway and front yard area look so beautiful, and I was worried about, with all the high winds we have here, one of these trees being sick, as it was falling on my daughter's bedroom, which is right there. So I made the really, really depressing decision to cut them down. But over a 3 years period, they were not getting better, and a lot of the tree was already dying, both trees. So here is some wood from the trees, and the roses have just kind of taken off behind this wood pile. So just wanted to share a little bit. Have a beautiful day, everyone.